Tired of drowning in a sea of apps and repetitive tasks? Let's explore Zapier, the secret weapon for automating your digital life. Zapier is a web automation tool that acts like a digital bridge, connecting different apps and services you already use. Think of it this way: instead of manually copying information from one app to another, Zapier does it for you. Automatically, this creates streamlined workflows and boosts your productivity. So, how does it work? Zapier uses something called zaps. A zap is essentially an automated workflow. Each zap has a trigger and an action. The trigger is the event that starts the zap. For example, a trigger could be new email in Gmail or new lead in Facebook ads. The action is what happens after the trigger. This might be add the email to a Google Sheet or send a notification to Slack. Zapier seamlessly transfers data and automates actions between thousands of different platforms, saving you valuable time and energy. To sum it up, Zapier is your go-to tool for web automation. Try it out today and discover how it can revolutionize your workflows.